What's up, guys? It's Frank. This is Graybird Garage. So I was going through the garage today and looking at some of the parts that I have left to install on my Jeep. I have my 2012 JKU Rubicon outside, the Bad Bird, and I found something that I bought maybe about a year and a half, probably 2 years ago. It's just been sitting, so let me show you what we got. All right, so we got ourselves a set of Barricade Rock Sliders. Now I'm going to use these rock sliders in conjunction with the factory rock sliders. They actually install over the factory rock sliders. I'll show you what I mean. They don't go by the same mounting location. They actually use the body bolts that are up there. So there's 3 on each side, and they are directional, so keep that in mind when you're installing them. Those are 18mm bolts. We'll go ahead and get those bolts out, and I have jack stands to set these up on because, well, I'm working alone today, so we'll get them up there and see what they look like. All right, so we got them set up on the jack stands now. Bolts came out pretty easily. You can see these are the bolts that had to come out. They're very long, and they had Loctite on them from the factory. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some blue Loctite back on them when I put them in, and basically get them on the jack stands close to where they have to go, and we'll get the bolts up in there, line it up, and be ready to go. So here we go. And there we have it, guys. Quick and easy install, only 3 bolts per side. The manufacturer says to torque to 35 foot-pounds. I just finished doing that. And yeah, these look great, and they will help afford a little bit of extra protection to avoid situations like this. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for more fun stuff coming up. Still more Jeep parts to install that I'm finding in the garage as I go through it. But yeah, until then, I'll see you guys out there.